Welcome. If you want to check specification of your KIANO Elegance 6.1 Pro, let's go for the settings. Right now we have to scroll down, go for the system, and then tap right here on the About For in the upper section. So right now when we scroll down, we can find the basic information about our smartphone. And if you want to get more, for example, you can enter the model and the the legal information. So this is how it looks, guys. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.